Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how I will make 50 USD using $10. All right, yeah, so I'll be showing you like how when you have, let's say, an account of $20, you can make 50 USD very quick, very easily. All right, yeah, so I'll come here and said I use Candlemine version 2. Once I use Candlemine version 2, I can come here, I'll come here and I'll select volatility 101S because that is the one that I've analyzed. All right, and then I put an trading rise and fall. So I'll put up and down, so up and down, rise and fall, and then I put fall. But then never set this thing to both. Never do that. Okay, my initial amount, my win amount, martingale, everything is set. And then now I proceed to run. I have about $100 and I'll show you how to make 50 USD. Okay, which is very, very manageable. Okay, always aim for a profit of at least 50% of your account. Aiming for 100% is good, but it is not consistent and it is not advisable for the long term. So I'll press run and let's see where this will take us. So yeah, so the first one is a win. Okay, the second one is a loss, which happens. Remember, in rise and fall, the market is going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It is very, very, very changing. All right, so you have to be very patient with that market. Okay, so we keep on waiting. Okay, and boom, like that, you have made 64 USD and you're done. All right, that is the power of having a big account. Okay, as you can see, in this account I had about 200 USD. Okay, and I've made 64 USD very easily and very quickly. Okay, so guys, that is the power of a big account. Always aim for having a big account. Save up. Believe me, it will be easy. Now, for those who are in Kenya, let me convert this. Okay, for those who are watching me in East Africa or in Kenya, basically. So let me convert this. Let's see how much money you have created right now in seconds. 8,382 in seconds, literally in seconds. Okay, aim for a good account, aim for good bots, aim for a good skills. Okay, before you come to trade, ensure you have good skills first. You have mastered them using our lessons, and then ensure you have good bots. Again, you have all the best bots in Deriv. All right, and once you do that, trading will never become hard for you. Okay, as you can see, you've created $64 with just 5 runs because you have a big account. That is why I'm not revealing the balance, because because for privacy reasons. But as you can see, having a big account will save you. That is why I'm insisting. If I were to have a small account, before you make $64, I will need to make so many runs. It will become extremely tiresome to me. Okay, so that is the advantage of having a big account. Okay, yeah, so be careful with the stake you use. Ensure it will not end up messing you, and ensure you can be able to do runs comfortably. All right, use a stake that you can afford to lose, and ensure you have a big account, which again I've advised. Ensure you use a good strategy, and that is it. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it is a good market. Okay, yeah, the profits are really nice and recovery is very easy. All right, yeah, so for anyone who needs this strategy, I've made I've made 2 videos about it on my channel. Everything is free on the channel. Go check it out. It's called Rise and Fall. I've made 2 videos. Go check them out. I've talked about the strategy that you should use, the mindset that you should apply when using it, and what to do in order to incur good profit in Rise and Fall. Okay, yeah, so apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. This goes to show you trading can actually work. It actually works. Okay, yeah, guys, so go check it out and ensure you come to me with feedback so that at least you can be able to see how you can grow each other. And please ensure if you have any question, leave it down in the comment section and I'll be able to guide you. For anyone who wants this bot that I'm using particularly in this video, comment down on YouTube, I want a bot. All right, once you do that, I'll guide you on how you can get this bot for free to at least boost your trading journey. But apart from that, guys, please ensure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and if you have not registered your account on Deriv, register it so that you don't miss out. But apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and let us meet in the next one.